Hi and welcome to another Midday Thoughts episode. Today we're having a look at the Renegade sandblasting cabinet, product code RISBC220 from Trade Tools. Overall dimensions on this unit is 1390 millimeters tall when it's assembled, 550 deep and 860 millimeters wide. Comes in at about 52 kilos, 240 volt this one is, for the light that goes on it. So they recommend on this unit a 5 horsepower compressor or a small nozzle air jet combo is useful for a 3 horsepower compressor. The maximum operating pressure for this unit is 125 psi. So just following the instructions here, we're putting the legs on first. That was easy. Most of the cabinet is actually complete, all the hinging and everything. The bottom flute, a little bit more tricky to get on your own. I have to say all the parts that were supplied were complete, there was nothing missing. Got my little helper there helping, just to hold the nuts while we're doing them all up. The unit comes with all the dust, tape, all in place, ready to go, so there was none of that fiddling around to do. Gloves are all installed, view windows all fully installed. And the other good thing about this cabinet is in the joins on the sheet metal, they've all been pre-siliconed up, so I didn't have to run around and use a silicone gun and tidy that up. Little brace shelf down the bottom to strengthen it all up. Legs are a little on the flimsy side, but once you've got it into position, you're not moving it around very much, so shouldn't be a problem. Came together pretty good. Just installing the Venturi suction pipes for the sand on media to be sucked up. Nozzle going in there. Pretty straightforward really. Doesn't come with an actual fitting. Most things don't come with the compressor fitting of your particular hoses, so I had one laying around, so I fitted that. Easy. So this is a little test piece we thought we'd try first. Just take the rust off the top. So again, my assistant's in charge of this. Having a little turn there. We do plug a little shop vacuum onto the outlet port. I think that's good, so you can see what you're doing actually. So I've just got a cheap $100 wet and dry vacuum, which you'll see soon on the video, installed on the other side. So that turned out pretty good. So it's a little bit of a view of the completed cabinet. I've got my vacuum cleaner poked in there. What you see there is actually a custom port to get from the size of my vacuum up to the standard size that comes in the unit. Nice sort of soundproof door here. There's a little bit of a view inside the cabinet. So we'll give it another quick test run. A friend of mine has this filter for his plasma cutter. You can see it's all aluminium, fully corroded. A little bit of neglect there it looks like, but that's okay. Let's pop it in and we'll turn the sound on and you can hear what it sounds like when it's in full operation. And we'll see if we can clean this up.
Looking good? Yeah, it's getting it off. Well,
It's shaded, but it's curling.
Yeah.
Let's pull this out. run. Let's pop it out and have a quick look. Really good for getting into the really fine spaces, the sandblasting. So that didn't turn out too bad at all. So a bit of our first real run on it. I'm using glass media. Yeah, that's ready to go. So overall, I give it a positive feedback on this unit. I'm happy with it. Would I buy it again? Yes. It was $429 Australian. I thought that was a pretty good value for what you get. It comes with a little light in it as well. I might upgrade the light, but for now it seems okay. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you on the next Middo Thoughts.